Check Flower Market Blue.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: southeastern Burlington, New Jersey. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Ocean, coastal ocean, and southeastern Burlington. When? From 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. Saturday. Impacts: at this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.